All right, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon. Happy Catalyst Fun to 10. It's time for the reviewers to get their groove on. We got 12 days, 20 hours, and 12 minutes. Oh no, isn't that when the world was supposed to end? 12, 21, 20, 21. Anyway, back to the real world, Quasar. Here we are. I've got a proposal that I want you all to please take a look at. So here is this game changer file system. You know, I'm a fan of this wallet. We've got a ton of proposals, 1,500. Look at this. There's 192 ideas in development and infrastructure. That means we should be getting 192 libraries, SDKs, DSLs, scripting languages, development infrastructure. This is the language, libraries, SDKs, things that we're going to be building Cardano on, building Catalyst on as well. So real quick, I just want to share the layout here. So this is a browser. I'm not logged in to this development infrastructure. I've got a Gamechanger. I've got their site, their website, their domain over here. I don't have a wallet set up here or in here. So I'm just going to read and scroll down through this. I'm going to increase the size just a little bit. And you know what, man? I'm going to go crazy. I'm just going to make this the whole screen. That way we can all take a look at it real nice. All right. So what do we got here? A file storage protocol over Cardano. A file storage protocol? What could that mean? Like IPFS? Are we storing files on Cardano? I personally don't think a blockchain is a database or to store files. It's to store events and transactions. But let's see what Gamechanger's doing here. This disk NFT is going to come into play soon. I'm going to just scroll on down here. Asking for 258,000. I hate these prompts. That's in today's at 30 cents, it's not too much here. This is meager. This is a nice ask for what we get. But one day, sometime in the next couple of months, we're all going to have to go vote on these proposals. And we've got to get the voting dapp working. We got to get your registration. We got to do all of this stuff. So in this proposal, I'm going to drop it in the comments here, but we've got some videos that we can watch. And also I will be posting this on YouTube for the hard fork. So there's going to be videos there as well. Now let's just scroll on down here and see what we've got. There's something that I do want to show you. There's a ton of stuff to read right here. Like what Gamechanger, honestly, y'all, it's not a wallet. It is your own customized personal Cardano builder, developer. Like it gives you, the user, if you know JSON, if you know basic JSON and a little bit of how Cardano works, building transactions, building scripts, you've got an integrated development environment, and you can just start pumping out dapps, all day long. So let's just take a look right here. It's this right here. And especially there's an entire voting dapp that Adriano, he is human, although his Discord name says Adriano the human. He's not fooling anybody. He is a human. He's a person. He's legit. We've got a voting dapp. He built it in less than 12 hours specifically for Project Catalyst to show how this all works together. So how it all works together, the Gamechanger wallet, the Gamechanger file system. React is the front end of the wallet. GC scripts, this is a domain specific language that really takes Cardano from Haskell and above, Plutus, PhD. You got to be Dumbledore to be able to write and build on Cardano. Well, guess what? Gamechanger just brought in low code, basically turned it into wrapping all these smart contracts, all these dapps, anything that you've got, packaging it into a nice, beautiful little wrapper and putting it in JSON. And I know you guys are some NFT fanatics out there. So let's just scroll down real quick. It's using SIP8. We do like our standards here. So we're saying try this out on pre-production testnet. What do you mean here? Did they install a voting dapp inside their proposal? And yeah, look, here's some results. Guess what? Adriano, he upvoted it. I'm Q. I did, but I'll tell you what, I did it on this browser here. So not where I am. I can click on this. I could click on this, or I could hit voting results. So I can upvote on it. I can downvote on it. I could just see the results. So let me see what I can do here. I'm going to pretend like I don't have a Gamechanger wallet. And we're going to put this right back here. And let's just go ahead and hit this and see what happens. And I don't believe it. I don't believe it's going to work. So I'm going to downvote Gamechanger. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's sending me directly to a wallet. Please take a look at the top here, beta preprod wallet. This is a preprod. Here's your welcome screen. This is the Gamechanger wallet, cutting edge, non-custodial Cardano web wallet. This is a web wallet. This goes into the internet, not into your browser, and you do not have to download it. So guess what? If you have an internet connection, you got a web wallet that's more than a wallet. You can build on Cardano with Gamechanger. So it's going to just run me through here. I want to just highlight this again, low code JSON based API for multi-sigs, multi-accounts, multi-transactions, multi-output graphics. This wallet will probably set Catalyst free from Ideascale because as you see right here, we just went into Ideascale and we put a dapp inside a proposal. So let's just go on through here. Now, let me see if I can zoom in a bit here. Here are the 5 different types of wallets that you can set up. I'm going to try this with just this burner wallet. It is testnet, so don't worry about it. If you wanted to do a quick one, you could do an express wallet. You have to copy your mnemonics and your password, but you only need the password to get going onto another wallet. So let's just hit burner. This is, this wallet has a very specific target, very specific use case. So we're going to zoom out and we're going to say, we're going to click on this bad boy. So let's see where this goes. Okay, it should, okay, do something. We're going to go there. All right, burner. Next, a new wallet has been imported. All right. So remember, this wallet came simply from clicking no to downvote. So boom, I hit downvote wallet and here it comes. All right, wait, wallet seems quite empty. Of course, this is a brand new wallet. There's no test data in it. So before we hit any of this, just go ahead and hit get started. Now, guess what? Gamechanger's got a built-in airdrop. You guys want to do airdrops? You want to do NFTs, FTs, disk NFTs? What do you want to do? Gamechanger provides the code inside the wallet for you to do this. And what's the code do? It executes it, it signs transactions, it sends assets, it mints assets, requires specific signatures. There's a contract, there's metadata. We're spending third-party assets, submitting a transaction, and using constant data. Take a step back. You can accept this in slow mode or step-by-step if you actually want to learn all of the different things that go into building a transaction like an airdrop on Cardano. You can even go here, edit to the playground. You go here, now you start adding your own files, your own IPFS, your own airdrop stuff, whatever you want. So we're just going to hit continue real quick. And since this is a burner wallet, guess what? no mnemonics, no password, basically kind of incognito, but not incognito, but anonymous, other than this is me, Quasar, sitting here making the video for you. But look, here's what's going on. Your permissions, we're going to get a 251 ADA airdropped. And now they're going to mint 6 NFTs. We've got some fungible tokens, some FUD, fake USD, Gamechanger token 100, Ricky at Drop Club. This is an ID NFT. And then here's an NFT, an NFT, and an NFT. Here's the fee for doing it. And there it's going to mention the keys to sign with. Let's go. Yes. Now, when am I going to have to put in a password and prove it? Oh, I don't? Shoot. Look, and now I could hit show as QR code. I could just go this, download it, and I'm going to save this as, I'm going to resave it in a minute as airdrop QR code. Boom, we're going to accept it, return with the data. Now I'm going to zoom out just a bit until we see if that's, once this is done, it'll say that, you know, we've received our stuff. So I'm going to give it a minute and get ready to rumble. I think it might have come through. We'll find out real quick. I'm going to hit continue. Oh, now this is the vote. I'm going to cast a downvote, only to show that, you know, I did upvote it with the Quasar wallets. Now let's see how downvote looks like. This is what it's going to do. Here, color coded to let you know this is good to go. Yellow, you know, take a look at it, see what it is. Red, you do want to check and see, because you're signing stuff, you're submitting, you're making a transaction with data that you're signing. So it does have an impact. This is really to let you know what else going on inside your wallet. I'm going to hit continue. All right. Boom. Cast the downvote, and Adriano Gamechanger fans, everybody, I love you so much. You know, I wouldn't definitely go back and downvote you. I'm going to run a poll, and I probably just because I have to, I'm going to go in and change my vote. And then I'll show you what that's like later. But listen, if you're in Cardano, if you're in Project Catalyst, if you're going to be reviewing proposals and you're going to be thinking about voting, then go to this proposal. Check it out. You can actually vote on a proposal inside of Ideascale. Ideascale sucks. So why don't we just build dapps inside of Ideascale? Why don't we just make it work with what we got? Because what we got, some dope shit. We got some real shit. We got some builders and developers and some talent. Like, we can put Cardano and Ideascale. We can all do this collectively. We can create DAOs with Gamechanger, do onboarding through Ideascale. There's all kinds of stuff. So while this is processing, I'm going to hit some of these features. Gamechanger file system number 2 header, file system number 1 data. That's what we're doing. So here's another little thing. Artifacts. This is the script that was created, the transaction, and 2 transactions. All right, now if we go to advanced, check this out. You got questions, you're not sure, you can go to the full code. Man, is this AI thing? All right, so look, we're building a script. The title of the script is Cast Your Downvote for Project 102594. So if you see this link here, 102594, if you have a proposal, just add your proposal ID, which is right here, add it to this link, and you got your own dapp. You got your own voting dapp. So, you know, it's fun building things for the community when the community listens and the community wants to use it. Have to use it, but here's a way to monitor your proposal, get feedback, engage with a wallet that's completely different than everything else on Cardano. It's decentralized. It's not downloading. It's not installing anything. It's a web wallet. It's meant for many things. One, fast onboarding. And two, it's got a toolbox to make anyone have access to building dapps on Cardano. You want to build a transaction. You want untyped Plutus script. You want to lock and redeem contract. You want some minting and burning contracts as your minting policy. It's in here. There's a lot in here. You want to create a DAO and a multi-sig, it's in here. So take some time, get to learn Gamechanger. But this whole demo here was to show you that we're no longer stuck complaining about Cardano and Ideascale. The tech is here and it's maturing. The more people start developing and building on it, the more people realize what's up. More times we can take anything like Ideascale. We can build, embed our dApps right in there and get it straight on chain. Now, this wallet is in beta, so we're looking for about a month and a half, maybe 2 months. Oh, boom, all done voting. And I thought I would have to go over here and use this wallet, but I didn't. So ultimately, we're going to hit that. All right. Thank you for voting. Please fill out the form to cast your votes. So on this one, because it was a burner wallet, it didn't really ask me anything. I am going to copy this one. Now, let's get these voting results. Let's see what it does right here. Fetching. Oh, now we're doing an inquiry. You want to see who voted when on what? Did they actually add their name? Are they hiding behind this privacy error? You know, is that what's going on? Yeah. If you want to do that, you can. If you want to put your name out there, you can do that as well. Let's return with the data. Boom. Anonymous voter. This is Quasar the non-anonymous. This is Quasar the anonymous. So guess what? You can hide behind your downvotes if you want to. That's all good. I could also add my info here. If you want this to count, add your Ideascale account. You want to know how to find it real quick? Go to Ideascale, click on your profile. I'm going to grab it real quick. Look at this. Q. Boom, boom, boom. 128188. So that's it. That's me. That's my profile. So let's go back here. Let's go back. So there you go, guys. In the proposal on Ideascale, I just went in and voted on chain. I downvoted the wallet. You know why? To prove a point. Now, since it's registered there, let's just see if it'll update here. Voting results. Now, if it updates inside, yeah, if it updates inside of Ideascale at this point, woo, say what? All right, folks, I'm going to have some coffee. It's 11 a.m. And I've got about, three rooms that I got to be moving. All right, so now, look, it shows it here. I'm going to hit here. Let's hit refresh. I don't know that it will show it. You know, man, I might just be asking too much, but it would be really wild if it did. But it doesn't. Either way, you know where it does show it? It shows it right here, player. Right here. Boom. I want to see how many people are going in update. Vote up or down. Do it anonymous. Do it with a burner wallet. If you want to get really involved, want to really see what's going on, go ahead and set up a main wallet. You can do it. It is at your power. Gamechanger only has 2 proposals, guys. To not vote these up, be crazy. And have you heard about Babel fees? Have you heard about them? Gamechanger's bringing them to you. Yep, bringing them to you right now. So look, I'm going to go create a poll for Babel fees. Watch this. Boom. I'm going to take this idea. I'm going to go whoop, right there. I don't know if he added this in here. Yep, upvoted on here. Shoot. I'm not going to do it because I want to make this video short, but here's 2 proposals that you can go in and actually vote on right away. So before I call it a day, I'm going to do something. Cardano over coffee. You guys, I love you. I love what you're doing. You guys run Cardano. You guys could run Fund 11 on your own, in my opinion. I think I'd love to be part of your catalyst group. Boom, Cardano over coffee right here. So watch this. Boom. We're going to take it. Here's this idea. All right, we're going to take it right there. Boom. Control copy. All right. And now, watch this. We're just going to go. Well, we're going to have to copy all that. And it's a big one. Boom. All right, now hit enter. Cardano over coffee. Watch this. You're welcome. I just created you a voting app, and I'm going to be anonymous here. I'm going to downvote on y'all. 390 kudos. Are you kidding me? Holy moly. I hope y'all do get funded. Not Quasar. And then here, Twitter account, not Quasar. And Ideascale, TBD, which is going to hit downvote. But before I do that, I want to copy this and send it to COC. I'm going to hit downvote. But y'all, that's pretty much it, man. Have you seen another proposal in Project Catalyst that allows you to vote live on the spot with a wallet on testnet on the proposal? Not token weighted. Guess what? It's a upvote, downvote. No need to throw ADA around. Proof of stake is great for blockchain protocols. It ain't necessary for an innovation fund, because when it comes to receiving money, we don't do what's best for everyone else. Bottom line, proof of stake works for blockchain governance, not innovation, not community building. Just doesn't happen. So downvote that, yes and yes. And ladies and gentlemen, I am going to call it a day here once this runs through. Make sure that there's no errors, but I do appreciate it. Please take a look at these 2 proposals. Create your own voting dapp. It'll be the first dapp that you create, probably, for a lot of you. All you got to do is change 6 numbers, add it to your proposal, add it to the comments, share it around, get people trying a new wallet, have fun with it. It's Friday. Have a good day. Enjoy it. And, start doing some reviews. I just checked my feed. I've got a whole bunch of reviews to do. So while we're doing that, I'm going to pause this, call it a day, and I'd love for some other content creators and big shots here in Cardano to take a look at these 2 proposals. I see the evolution of this as a step towards a proposal needing to get this many upvotes before we can actually add it to the voting dapp. Maybe that'll come in Fund 11. Catalyst is improving. Cardano is growing. Together, we can keep it going. So here's a big downvote, I think, for for Cardano over coffee. But you guys, I'm going to go back and change my vote because I love you guys. Thanks for everything you do. Community, thank you for everything that you do. IOG, same, likewise. Let's keep doing it. Let's be a little more kind. And let's call out these people that are asking for 10% of 50 million ADA. That's not 10 projects aren't going to build Cardano. We need it to happen for everybody. Let's be responsible with what we're trying to build. make sure we're taking care of one another like communities do. Peace, be well. Stoners Club, Shillamania, Big Joe, and Mitch So Ill. I bet you boys are feeling rough, still smelling like sausage biscuits, which, you know, that's how my grandparents got married. So good luck with that.